Hi there, my name is Ed West, and I'd like to take you on an adventure in literature. Now, whether you're in the upper division elementary or you're in junior high, we have books that are going to interest and inspire. Now, my key word is adventure. So I don't just look at dry books. We look at books that go through big themes and ideas like courage, overcoming, getting to the other side, and dealing with the tough questions in life. Now, one of the books in my intermediate course is going to be Fever 1793. It's dealing with the epidemic of yellow fever in Philadelphia in the baby United States of America. We have a heroine who goes through the unknown with the very limited medical understanding they have at that time, and she overcomes great adversity to get to the other side and to see other lives change through this for the better. Now, in my other class, my elementary class, is an old-time favorite. Now, I enjoy reading it, and I enjoy rereading it, so I think it's beyond just, let's say, 4th and 5th grade. But have you heard of A Series of Unfortunate Events? Now, that's a fun book. It's dealing with this little tongue-in-cheek idea of a little bit of dark humor, a little bit, what can you say, reverse psychology. And it draws you in with the Baudelaire orphans as they go through unfortunate events to try to find out what happened to their family. And it's a lot of fun, a lot of humor. And most of the kids that have ever read it with me or saw the series, they just love it. So join me as I go through the writings of Lemony Snicket on the Baudelaire orphans as we go through a series of unfortunate events, The Bad Beginning. Just one book in my series for this fall in 2020. Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about what we do in our class. For one thing, it's discussion based. It's not just someone lecturing at you, it's participation amongst the students as they dig a little deeper and find out about why they like these books or why they don't like books. Now, I will tell you this for a fact. What you read is going to come out in what you write. And an introduction to literature, modern and old, is going to have a great first start for anybody. Now, how do you find out more about this book and all the other lessons that I'm teaching? You need to go to edwestlit.weebly.com and you'll find out about all the classes I teach along with this one. Or you can go to homeschoolcampus.org and there you're going to find out how to sign up and find other courses in case you haven't already known all the different opportunities we have at Homeschool Campus. So whether you're a reluctant reader or you're an avid consumer of books, you're going to enjoy Adventures in Literature. I look forward to seeing you this fall. Come along on the adventure.